Hi! So today I'm going to show you what you can do with your mask, especially the one-time mask that we have to use. Well, at least I know I have to use them. I usually get frustrated by the fact that I have to throw them out. So these are the two things that I've been doing with them, and it's been fantastic for me. Maybe it can be helpful for you. As a person who loves drawing and painting with watercolors and acrylic paint, I use the mask as a way to absorb the water from my paintbrush, especially when I have excess, right? The mask has layers, and I think even the filter helps the water absorb and makes me really happy with the paintbrush that I'm using, right? Another thing that I do with the paintbrush is that I clean my paintbrush with the mask. I fold the mask in half, as you'll see, and then, I'm sorry, I'm using one hand because I have my camera on the other. Please ignore my dirty nails and dirty hand as well. The paint's all over. As you can see, I fold the mask, and then I gently rub the mask to my paintbrush and clean it. This is a quick clean. It's when I'm going from one paint to another and paint colors to another, and this helps. Okay? And then this is my favorite thing that I do with my mask. I make scrunchies out of the elastic. It's been a lifesaver. I'm someone who loses my scrunchies all the time, right? And this is a last minute thing I do. I just rip the elastic out of the mask, right? Again, ignore my dirty hand. And I rip it. I tie it with both my hands. And voila, I get something that I can use on my hair, right? It's not the nicest looking thing, but it works for today. And I get to make two from one mask, and that's great for me. I need those two scrunchies. So for those of you who have any other things that they do with their mask, please let me know. I want to reuse them, recycle them. And if these help, let me know. If they didn't, tell me what you do. Thank you. Bye.